In this video, I will guide you on how to enable Steam two-factor authentication. First, open the Steam app and sign into your account using your account name and password. Once you're logged in, go to your profile name, usually located in the upper right corner, then open Account menu. Here, select Account Details. On the Account Details page, look for Account Security section and select Manage Steam Guard. Here, you'll see the available Steam Guard options. Depending on your account and current Steam setup, you can use the Steam mobile app to receive authentication codes or use email-based Steam Guard codes. Choose the option you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Steam may ask you to verify your email address, phone number, or another security method before activation. Once everything is enabled, you'll be asked for a Steam Guard code when signing in from a new or unrecognized device. This helps prevent someone from accessing your account even when they know your password. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.